Hey, welcome back to Bubba's Culinary Creations.
Hey,
You are.
what are you doing? Who is that? Hey. I'll tell you who that was. That was not my best friend, but my brother. Okay. I'll tell you who that was. That was not my best friend, but my brother, the Gare Bear Sis. Welcome aboard, dude. Guys,
An honor, bro.
hey man, it is an honor for us. And also, guys, this is the newest member of Bubba's Culinary Creations. So welcome him aboard. And also, Gary, tell the guys what they want to hear.
No, you don't want me to tell them.
I want you to tell them.
Bro.
I want you to tell them.
All right.
Give them what they want. What is on the menu for today?
All right. The one, the only smoked chicken thighs.
Yes, sir. Hey, barbecue. Guys, we're nothing fancy here, all right?
No.
AP, seasoning, a little barbecue rub. All right, let's get started with this, and we'll show you how it's done. Hey. That was the coolest handshake I've ever seen in my life. Alright guys, so welcome back to Bubba's Culinary Creations. Hey, we're keeping it simple. We're using bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs for this smoke. The seasonings we're using are AP and the BBQ Rub. They're both from Killer Hogs. In my opinion, I believe they're, if not the best, definitely one of the best rubs on the market. You can pick them up at Walmart. It doesn't get a whole lot easier than that. So while those seasonings are working on that meat, we're going to get our smoker ready to go. We're using a Smoky Mountain Weber smoker today. Man, I can't wait for this cook. I'm super excited to be outside, guys. So we're using some hickory wood chunks. We don't need a whole bunch for this chicken. It doesn't take a whole lot. So while we get that ready and prepped, we are aiming for about 275 degrees. And then we also did make a homemade sauce that I will be showing y'all how to make in a future video. But for now, just look at this chicken. Oh man, so this cook took about an hour and a half or so from start to finish. But we are going to glaze it with that sauce. Oh, that looks good. I wish y'all could smell this. I'm telling you what. So we did glaze it. Also, I just want to take a minute to say thank you so much for the support on this channel. Every comment, every like. I hope y'all are enjoying it as much as I am making the videos. We have a blast here. So yeah, thank you. Also in the future, guys, we're going to be making some really awesome stuff. We got some ribs lined up. I've got a brisket in the freezer right now, just waiting to be cooked up. So you're going to see some awesome stuff. So after we glaze this, we do put it back on the smoker with the lid on for another 5 to 10 minutes just to kind of thicken that up. And then we're ready to serve. Because I'm telling you what, both of our mouths were watering, ready for this thing. Oh, just look. And wow. Hey, I know you want to bite because I want to bite.